Friends, I'm just preparing a prawn shrimp noodles. Yeah. Okay, shrimp noodles like this. Shrimp noodles. So I've got all my tiger prawns ready. I've got the onions cut, green chilies, curry pata, and I've got my spices. So you can put whatever spice, So for this is for the prawns. So whatever you like, some fish masala, prawn masala, and the normal jeera, see, and some garam masala, and some cumin and soft, you like soft or whatever you pepper, yeah, and some garam masala you can put here. Yeah, and then I've got my spaghetti boiling. The spaghetti is boiling here, see here. So it has to be you have to just check it that it's not breaking. If it breaks, just breaks, right? If it breaks, so it's ready. Yeah, so now it's not breaking. It should have, if it's ready, it would have broken. Yeah, and then you can check it. Don't do it too much, and then you put drain the water and put cold water. In the meantime, I've got all my sauces here, like soy sauce, dark soya sauce, see? Ginger, garlic. That's for the shrimps. Some hot sauce, and this is I'll put it afterwards when I put in the noodles. Then I'll put in this and I'll give it a stir. But now I have to make the prawns, the shrimps. Yeah, so I'm just sharing it. I'll make this now. I have not cut the shrimps. So they're quite big, they're all tiger shrimps. So I'll just cut it, yeah, friends. Hi friends, just sharing with you. I'm just doing this now before I go to the reserve. Yes, okay, more later. I'm just sharing with you. See, the spaghetti has come so nice. So you have to do it like this, yeah. So I put this here. I put some butter, but I put some oil as well, yeah. So now now I'm going to do the prawns, yeah, the shrimps. See here now. So it has to be like this, yeah, very grainy. And I'll close it up. Now I'm doing the shrimps. I'll put some oil here. So it's very easy now, yeah. See friends, I put some oil here, yeah. Now I'm sharing with you. See, I put in some oil here, yeah. So now I'm just going to put in the because I've grated some carrots here for me, yeah, and I'm going to put in the stir fry of this. So I'll just put pause, yeah. I'm just sharing with you. Now I'm going to just put in the tadka masala, yeah. So I'll just lay it like this. So I'll just put in the tadka masala, yeah. See here. So I've not yet got everything ready. I'm just busy with my birds and also I've not done everything. Oh my God! Sorry, one second. I'm just sharing with you. I put in the garlic and ginger, but since it is fluttering, I have not. I just close it up for some time. And now I just put a little bit of garam masala that I kept here, just for flavor. I'll do that first. See, I'll just do this slowly. Yeah. So I'll just do this for a little bit. Yeah. So when I do this thing, this is for the prawns, for the shrimps. Now I'll just put the carrot, because the carrot needs to be cooked. Yeah. So I'm putting, otherwise I would have done it beforehand. All the veggies, see. So I'm just giving it I have to just close it for about 5 minutes on slow fire. Yeah, the veggies. So let it cook. Yeah, put this on slow fire. I can put some little bit of oil because the oil is a little bit less. You can put as you want. Yeah. So all the veggies will be cooked, and I'll put in the shrimps. Yeah. So now I'll put in the shrimps. See friends, I put in the shrimps. Yeah. So I'll put in the shrimp. So now, see, I will stir the shrimp and let it cook. So I have some little bit extra masala. Oh God, sorry. The sauces here, right? You put just follow what I'm doing, yeah. So I put in the sauces here, and now I put in the spice for the prawns or the shrimp. So I put in the sauces here, and I'm using this spaghetti or the noodles stirrer, yeah. So you can stir it nice and down. Now this is already cooked, so don't cook it more. So then I'll cook the shrimps. 1 minute. I'll just cook the shrimps first. I made it fast. Yeah, all this not because you have to have everything ready for your thing, but just follow. Nothing is Okay, so everything is done. I just put the sauces here. Then you can add what you want afterwards. Yeah, you can add them. So sorry, I'm just have to go to the to the park to feed my birds. So I am really lots of work is there. You know, so the kitchen is a little bit in a mess. I have to clean up this thing. Yeah, so I'm just sharing with you. I'm drying this thing up. Yeah, so now this is okay, but I was just cooking the shrimps. Yeah. So friends, I'm sharing it you. See, so much I prepared of this shrimps spaghetti. So when you're having it, you can put what you want. You can put tomato sauce, or you can put cheese. Like I've already put all this tomato sauce, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, yeah, and hot sauce, yeah. But you can put what you want, and you can put some cheese over the top if you like. But this comes very nice. I also removed one box of this as well. Birds like it very much. So when I finished boiling and I strained it, I took out before putting a little bit butter and all. I put it for my birds. So I always give them what I cook, but without anything. Yeah, sharing with you friends. Just tired now, and I just take a break. I will just leave to go to feed my birds now. Yeah, sharing with you friends. Sorry, I not comb my hair because I have oil in my hair. So I will just I will wash my hair. So I just oiled it overnight. Yeah. So sharing with you more later, and please do follow my recipe. Yeah, and don't get whatever cooking is what's in your mind. Whatever you like, you put. Yeah, I just put so many other spices like garam masala. You can put your chicken masala, meat masala, whatever you like. You put a little. Don't put anything too much. Just half spoon or quarter spoon. Yeah. Pepper I put in this as well. More later, friends. Take care. Love you. Thank you. Bye.